Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can withdraw money from the Viber Pay wallet. So let's get started. Now first off, once you open up your Viber app and go to the Pay section of the app, this will be the screen that you will see. So to withdraw money from your balance right here, as you can see I have 5 euros, you would need to tap on the send option right here. And then because Viber doesn't have any native withdraw feature, so you can withdraw money directly to your bank account, you would just need to select the bank transfer option and then just send it to your bank account. So the process is still the same as like you're withdrawing money, but it's just not called withdraw money, it's sending it to your bank account. So right here I have my bank account connected, so to send money to it I would just need to select it and then input the amount of funds that I would like to transfer to my bank account. Now you can also connect, let's say, your Revolut account, your Wise account, or any banking service that has a international bank account number. So essentially you can transfer money from your Viber Pay account to any of those alternative bank accounts, or just directly to your natural bank account that you have set up in your country. So once you input the amount of funds, let's say 5 euros, you would just need to tap on confirm and continue, and the funds will be transferred with no fees, as you can see right here, in about 1 business day from your Viber Pay wallet to the bank account that you have selected. And essentially, that's guys how you can transfer money from Viber Pay to your bank account, or withdraw money from Viber Pay, or withdraw money from Viber Pay.